I don't got it like I used to. Every time I skate, I'm like, man, I'm washed. But this time, I might actually be washed.
Yeah, they come to snuff the rooster. Oh, yeah.
That's the sesh. What are we doing, man?
Doing event shit right now.
Looks like versus a real.
I used to work for Amazon, so I'm
Making him do all the work, man. Supervising.
That's stop number one.
Dude, I'm a closer too, man. We're all closers in this beat, boys. Because of sales right here, man. Oh! Take out. Woo! Take out all. Because of sales. Cash collected.
Just getting some B-roll.
What did you say?
What did he ask? Reach out to the community.
Alright. Yo, what's good, Tristan? Welcome to the call. So, what usually works best on these calls, I'm going to ask you a couple questions, get to understand your
Preparing for my daughter's second birthday. So we got plenty of tequila, we got plenty of Topo Chicos. Oh, these are heavy. Oh, there's so much alcohol.
What Dylan's doing right now is a method where he pulls out the camera so he can avoid putting all the boxes in the back of the truck.
Pork is live, baby, we live.
Showtime, baby.
Dude, it's going to be a good day. We had like a good little, we got the two camera.
Yeah, Harrison brought his lunch today.
Yeah, I brought my lunch. This is for me. I'm actually on a diet right now. I'm cutting.
I can't drink coffee. Yeah, round two. Is that?
Day 2, meetup weekend. I am cooked. Have I showed you guys this yet? It's a lot of cigars. Getting prepped for the boat right now. I'm going on sub 6 hours of sleep. It's been good so far. Feet hurt, losing my voice, but the people are having fun. Let's do it again.
How was your
One more time.
Yeah, we're moving to Austin, bro. Because of sales.
What you
I'm cooked. I lost my voice multiple times. Slept like a combined 14 hours in 3 days. But we're going to Europe tomorrow. We gotta get it done, man. So I don't know, how valuable this video is gonna be. More of a fun one, maybe. But we do have a full recap. I'm super stoked for it. We have a full meetup recap coming out when I get the footage. You know, I was on stage speaking, introducing people. Oh, by the way, we're gonna have hopefully we're gonna have the speaking footage. Maybe I can upload that. I was on this stage trying to basically show people like how real this is, because we had a lot of new people in the crowd. And we're at our VIP event. We were giving away our trophies. So we gave away, you know, all those trophies I showed before. After I gave out the trophies, I said something along the lines of, just for a show of hands, like, you know, there's a lot of high level people in here. Raise your hand if you've made over $10,000 in a month in this industry. You know, we only had trophies for the guys in our community. I'm not even joking you. I hope we have footage of this. And if we do, I'm gonna post it. Literally like 80% of the hands in the room went up of our VIP event, which was about 100 people. And I was expecting like maybe 30%, and I was gonna be like, okay, cool. So like, it's possible, right? Like, go meet these people, go talk to them, go figure out how they did it. Like, most people put their hands up. There's a lot of things I could talk about with that, but it was kind of like comforting that, you know, we're on a decent path here. There's a lot of bad players in this space. There's a lot of people, they flex like their sales training revenue is commissions. But at the end of the day, man, like, a remote sales job on the internet, for what reason would that not be real? We're talking about one of the oldest professions in the world, on the biggest platform in the world, with some of the fastest growing businesses in the world. This weekend, man, met so many awesome people, had people fly in from all over the world. It's a lot of work. In less than 24 hours, I have to be on an international flight. I'm posting this YouTube video because I'm not gonna get off schedule. And next week we'll be back with a value. So all in all, this event was about $40,000 to run. And a lot of that cost was fronted because, you know, in order for us to sell tickets, we have to have a fun event to advertise. And so we get put in this predicament where, okay, well, what if we pay for all this stuff and nobody buys tickets? And that's terrifying. But luckily, because we've done this once, we've done this twice, we have a decent reputation, we were able to do it. So we took a $40,000 bet, calculated bet, ran the numbers, and we made sense. For those of you guys wondering, like, we don't really make money directly off of ticket sales because we want to put every dollar of ticket sales towards providing a good experience so people keep coming, so people join our community, so people can come and just get as much benefit as they're hoping for. Some people, they sell tickets that are 5 times the price as ours. They put you in a hotel conference room for 8 hours. For half the time, you're fighting off sleep because you're bored. Not with us. Our events are fun, they're informative, educational, and above all, the people that come make the whole event. I had so many people coming up to me, this is partially why I've lost my voice, so many people coming up saying, dude, thank you for this. Like, thank you for hosting this. This is so awesome. I know it's a lot of work. I saw this, I met this person. I had multiple people come and say, like, this is like the best thing to happen to me since getting in the space, or like, this is the most like high level room I've been in with salespeople, whatever. Like, all this remote stuff is really easy to not really understand how real it is until you get these high level people together. We took the bet paid off, like, just being transparent. Maybe we're like, honestly, no, because we have unaccounted for expenses. We got rinsed on water and ice for our boat, rinsed. But I mean, I came up maybe $1,000, probably less. And again, the reason I'm saying that is because at this point, like, we help people get remote sales jobs, but I've said most of what I need to say about that. And I'll still keep saying stuff about it. But I like to document the business, my life, the lives of people who work with us. Man, I appreciate y'all watching. There's a lot of people there I had never met till this weekend. They're like, dude, I've been watching your YouTube stuff for like years. It's just crazy, man, the internet. I would encourage you guys to post content. It can change your life. Changed mine. Literally, posting content changed my life. And learning sales and doing other things. That's this video, you guys. I appreciate you being here. I appreciate you watching. If you came to the event, thank you. These events aren't what they are without you guys. We'll see you next year, and I'll see you next week.